All right, guys, just took delivery of the new Tesla Model Y Performance, and I do have the Tesmanian. This is the full set of floor mats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces right here, and we are going to be replacing the factory ones. So they do come with this nice cloth pad, which is great. I'm taking these out. This is the driver's seat, of course. They come with a nice little Velcro, so it does keep it in place, which I really like. But let's just take these out now. I'll show you exactly what we're going to be replacing them with. This is the rear. So this rear one goes all the way across. So let's take this one out as well. Purchased that one at the dealer when I picked up the car. We have a mat that's going to go here, as well as, I believe, under here. So those are the two for the trunk. We'll take this one out. Open the front. There you go. Right in this spot right here. And I did look at a bunch of different options, but one of the main reasons why I went with this one is because of these lips. You see how deep these are? I have 3 kids, ages 3, 7, and 10. They're all gonna be riding in here all the time. I'm gonna be putting the car seats in here. So I needed right away to protect my carpet as much as I can. So these give us the most protection as far as these sides go. That's what I really like about them. So let's get these in there. Let's fit the one in the front, or the frunk. I'm not sure exactly which one it is. Let's test out which one might fit in here. There you go. First one fits like a glove. So you still have access to your tow hook right there down below. And that fits perfectly in there. I believe this goes just like this. Yep, perfect fit. Look at that. Perfect. Fits right there at the very bottom, so you have to lift up this hatch here and close that up. And then I do want to protect this top portion right there, and that's going to be the large mat. So let's get that one in there. It's got little Velcros on there too, so it keeps it from sliding around. As you can see, I kind of try to move it and it wouldn't even move. Once you tuck it into the back corner, perfect, nice and snug. And make sure that this opens up fine. Yep, opens up great just for this little area where it bends right there, so you are able to still lift this up. Let's see if I can tuck it in. There you go. I can still tuck it in into that little slot for this thing to stay up. This is really nice. Look at that. So just slid this one down on the bottom, and as you can see, what I like about this is that this goes up nice and high right over here, and it goes up higher on these areas. So as you can see, it's all cut out right there on the inside. So all your mess will hopefully stay within this area and not on the carpet. This is what it looks like here on the side. See, it kind of goes up all the way around. Let's go underneath. You can see what it looks like underneath. It does stop there. Has a little ramp here. Cut out right there. Nice and smooth underneath. Up on the edges. Most important place right here is keeping this. Hopefully, I'm sure this will just kind of fall into place over the time. And there you go. The back is looking good. Fits really, really nice. Look, all the way up here. And what's nice with this one is that these go up nice and high. So if you have people that have big feet, they can rest it up here. You don't have a short mat where half their foot might be on the mat, other half might be on the carpet. Same thing all the way around. You can see it's nice and deep. If anything falls in here in this area, it will be caught right there. So it was popped up just a little bit, but probably over time this will flatten out just a bit. And there you go. Oh, nice. Perfect. There you go, look at that. And one of the reasons why I like this one too is the foot pad, your resting foot pad, the clutch pad, basically the clutch base, if you had a manual, kind of where you rest your foot. Some of the other ones had a short one, which means same thing I talked about. If your foot was big, you'd have some of your foot on the pad and the rest on the carpet here. You get nice, tall wrap here so that your foot won't be half and half. So that's the reason why I really like this one too. As you can see behind, nice and formed to the floor there, and all the way around, same thing on the driver's seat. So if you're wondering about fitment, it just kind of showed you the fitment of it. Everything is really snug. There's some areas on the side, of course, like I said, which will probably over time flatten out. It's all brand new. So, you know, got to give it time to settle in. And that's about it, guys. That's the Tesmanian all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model Y. I believe it should work on all the Model Ys. This is the Performance Edition, but just check on their website. I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested in these mats. As you can see, fits really nice and snug. For me, it was more about that rest plate, the rest driver's foot, nice and tall. Also, it has high depth, or it's really deep. And like I said, I'm going to be having 3 kids in this car all the time. So I'm looking at maximum protection all the way around. These are some of the deepest ones I've found. So hopefully these will be able to catch all the junk that's pretty much going to be tossed around in my car daily. Hopefully you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, a big like would be much appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see a lot more videos on the Tesla Model Y. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.